Hi everyone! In today's class, we will be diving into the world of floor plans, a crucial component of interior design. Before we embark on the journey of creating a floor plan, spatial plan or 3D designs, it is essential to grasp the purpose of a floor plan and why it is indispensable. So what exactly is a floor plan? A floor plan serves as a two-dimensional representation of an interior space or building, typically depicted from a top-down perspective on a flat surface such as paper or a computer screen. It offers a simplified layout of the space, encompassing all the rooms, windows, walls, and fixed features like fireplaces. Architects, designers, and builders frequently utilize 2D floor plans during the planning and construction phase of a project to provide an accurate portrayal of space and identify potential issues that require attention before constructing commences. As interior designers, we can create a simplified version of these building plans to establish a foundation for our work to build upon. Subsequently, we employ spatial planning, also known as space planning. Spatial planning specifically refers to the process of organizing and arranging the physical space of a room or building and fill it with furniture, display bathrooms, or kitchen designs. It entails determining the most effective and efficient use of the available space, taking into account factors such as traffic flow, accessibility, and the intended purpose of the space. After finalizing our floor plan and spatial plan, we can then determine the products we need to purchase and at the same time start building our 3D design using the drawn walls from our floor plan. So you can see that a detailed floor and spatial plan is key to a clean and good workflow. In the upcoming lessons, we will dive first into the fundamentals of surfaces, edges, and groups. Following that, we will explore real-life scenarios on how to create 2D floor plans using SketchUp. By the end of Module 1, you will be able to create our Eden Springs floor and let's get started!